Welcome back to in this series of MATLAB. I am Pankaj Patil and in this video we are going to work on structs. So let's get started. Structs are structural array with specified field. It uses fields, not element. It used to store record. Like in some company, we are having employees with different job role and different salaries. So structures are used to store information in simplified way. So let's try with storing information of employees in structure. So let's start this example.
Now let's work on creating structs for companies. So now let's create field employee 1 dot account dot name. In that field we are going to save name of employee, first employee, which is suppose Pankaj, means Sam, and enter. Now let's check class of struct, which is employee. So this gives struct. And now let's check class of field, which is employee dot employee 1 dot account dot name. So we are having character field, so this gives char. Now let's try employee 1 dot account dot salary. Now let's store salary for employee. Suppose I am having salary of 50,000, so it's stored. Now let's try employee 1 dot account and dot position. So by using that, let's store position of me in company equal to, so I am junior engineer, so junior engineer in string format, junior engineer, and enter. Company name, so employee 1 dot account dot company. So suppose I am working in Google, so single quote Google closing single quote, enter. So like that I stored information about me. Now let's try employee 2 dot account dot name. So now we are storing information about employee 2. So suppose employee 2 is Larry Page, so Larry Page, enter. So we stored information of employee 2. Now let's check employee struct. Like that we stored 2 accounts. Open first account. Like this we have given some data of me, and like this we are given data of Larry Page. Now let's try to get field by using get field function, means it gets field. So employee 2 dot account comma opening single quote name, closing single quote, close parenthesis, enter. So the employee of second employee is Larry Page, so that gives name. Now let's try get field, open parenthesis employee, open parenthesis 2 dot account and comma salary. So we are not given salary of Larry Page, because of that this is giving error. So now let's try to remove fields by using rm field function. So let's use employee 2, employee 1 dot account. So we are trying to remove field from employee 1 equal to RM field, opening parenthesis, employee, opening parenthesis 1, closing parenthesis, dot account. And we are trying to remove salary. Because of that we are given salary here. So this removes salary. Now let's check is it removed or not. So employee 2 dot account, enter. So we removed salary from that struct, means that field, by using RM field function. Now let's try to create structure using struct function. So we are having book equal to struct, open parenthesis, so sub means subject of this book, comma, so we are having subject, suppose propulsion 1, so P1, close single quote, and name of book is, suppose we are having aircraft propulsion, so in single quote in string format, aircraft propulsion. Closing single quote, comma, so let's give price. So we are having price, single quote, comma, so suppose we are having 5000 and close parenthesis. So like that you can also create structure using struct function.
I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click on like button. If you don't like this video, then click on dislike button. Subscribe to channel. Thank you and see you in next video.